Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gyan Expert. This area is code area where these are the sections available like motion. We have certain code blocks to use and looks. These are the blocks available. We have sound section also. In this section, we have blocks to generate some sounds during animation. In the events block, we have some events to trigger the code sequence. We can use any of these options. Control, this will control the flow of the sequence of code blocks. Sensing, it will use the sensing blocks to sense something like mouse down, up, etc. These there are operators. We will use these code blocks for some arithmetic operations. Variables, in this block we will play with some variables. And my blocks, we can create a custom block over here. We can choose any of these and can create a custom block. To use these blocks we generally drag and drop, and to remove it we again drag and drop. This is the process of using these blocks. For more videos and updates, please like, share and subscribe my channel Gyan Expert. Thank you.